Right now, in this blessed month, doors are open that stay locked the entire rest of the year. And if you don't know how to walk through them, Ramadan will end with you still standing outside. But by the end of this reminder, you will understand exactly what Allah is inviting you into today. Here is what most people miss entirely. The gates are not just unlocked, they are held open for you. There is a deeper truth here, and when you hear it, your entire Ramadan suddenly shifts into focus. You have been fasting, praying Taraweeh, reading more Quran than usual, doing everything you know to do, and still, something feels incomplete, like you are going through the motions without reaching the destination inside. You were taught that Ramadan is about discipline, sacrifice, hunger, and endurance until Maghrib finally arrives each day. Maybe you heard that the devils are chained, so this month should feel spiritually easier than other times. But when it still feels hard, you wonder if something is wrong with your iman or your sincerity. But the Quran reveals something far deeper about what this month is actually designed to create in you. The open gates are not a test of your endurance. They are an invitation into a transformed relationship. Allah tells us in Surah Al-Baqarah, Ayah 183, fasting is prescribed so you may attain taqwa. The purpose was never hunger itself. It was clearing space inside you so Allah could draw closer to you. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever fasts Ramadan with faith and seeking reward has past sins forgiven." The forgiveness is not earned through suffering. It is received through turning your heart toward Ar-Rahman with hope. You might notice that your most powerful moments this month came when you stopped performing and started surrendering. The prophets understood this. Musa, peace be upon him, fasted 40 days, not for discipline, but for divine meeting. Every gate Allah opens in Ramadan leads to the same destination, closeness to Him that transforms everything else after. Walking through is not about doing more, it is about bringing your whole heart to what you already do. When you pray Maghrib tonight, pause before the first bite and recognize you survived on Allah alone today. That recognition, that moment of seeing your complete dependence on Ar-Rahman, is the door swinging wide open now. Your Taraweeh is not a performance for reward. It is standing before the one who stayed awake for you. So if you have been fasting perfectly, but still feel spiritually distant from the transformation you were promised, your striving is not unnoticed by Al-Basir. Every hungry moment was worship, whether you felt it or not always. Allah sees the exhaustion behind your prayers, the sincerity beneath your struggle, and He has been drawing you closer. You were never meant to earn your way through these gates, through perfect performance or flawless spiritual discipline. The gates are held open by Ar-Rahman Himself. Your only job is to walk through with your real heart. You have permission to stop performing Ramadan and start receiving what Allah has been trying to give you. Subscribe for more reminders that bring you closer to Allah this Ramadan and beyond. Bi-ithnillah. Barakallahu feekum always.